Welcome to another session in this course. In this session, I am going to be teaching you how to use order by clause for multiple columns. Also, I will teach you how to use the limit clause. I will also teach you how to use a special type of select statement, which is called the select distinct statement. I will also teach you how you can combine the order by clause and also the limit clause in the same query. Let us get at it. If I run this particular query that you are seeing on my workbench, it will show us all of the IDs of the customers in this table. So let us run it. You can see that we have the customer IDs, but there are repetition of these customer IDs because in our table, there are several transactions done by a particular customer. Sometimes what you want to do is to have a unique record. And if you want a unique record, then you have to go another way. And that is by using the distinct method. The select distinct command will allow you to get the unique record in your table. So let's run this, and then you can see that we now have a unique record in this particular column. This is how to go around it. Now, I want to show us another keyword, which is limit. If I run this now, it is going to show us the first 5. So let's run it. Sometimes you do not want to return every record that your query is going to bring. What you want to do is you want to get the first 5, the first 10, and so on and so forth. That is where the limit command is very useful. For example, you want to get the top 10 customers, the top 10 students, all these top n, the limit command is what we use to do that in MySQL. Having done this, let's go to another command, which is order by, which we use to sort and arrange our data. Let us get all the records from the orders table. So when we run it, we have all of these. But now, what we want is that we want to order this particular table based on the flight charges. You can see the flight charges here. So we want the lowest flight charges to be on the top and the larger ones or the higher ones will be downward. For us to do that, what we will do is say order by. So order by what? We are ordering by the flight charges. When I run this, you will see that the flight charges has been ordered in ascending order. So when you don't specify anything after the order by clause, it is going to give us in ascending order. But if I want it to be in descending order, I will put descending there. If I run this now, you will see that it's now in descending order. So the maximum flight charges is now the first, and then you can see how this comes down. So if we want to know the top 5 records with the highest flight charges, if we run this now, you can see that we have this. Now, sometimes we can actually order by 2 or more columns. How do we do that? Let us see that we want to order by the customer ID and also by the flight charges. And what we want to do is that we want the customer IDs to be arranged in ascending order, but for each of the customer, we want the transaction they have done, the flight charges, to also be arranged in a descending order. You will see what I mean. So let's say order by customer ID and then flight charges. To make this look beautiful, let's just use the customer ID column and then let's put the flight charges column too. So by doing this, we will have only these 2 columns. So let's run it. So now you can see that the customer ID is in ascending order from 0, 1, 2, and co. But for Each of them, you can see that for zeros, we have from highest to lowest value, for 1, highest to lowest value, and then for 2, highest to lowest value. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, press the notification icon, and also to hit the like icon. Thank you very much until we meet in the next one.